Before chicken nuggets reach school freezers, they begin far earlier on carefully managed poultry farms. These frozen nuggets are the result of farming, food safety, machinery, and cold chain logistics. The first stage is not the factory, but the breeder farm.
Fertilized eggs move through hatcheries before chicks reach growing farms.
Growing farms manage feed, water, air, and health until the birds reach processing size.
Inside the factory, chilled poultry meat becomes shaped, coated nuggets. Final stage keeps nuggets frozen through warehouses, trucks, schools, and grocery freezers.
Commercial poultry production begins with controlled farm buildings and strict biosecurity.
Biosecurity protects the flock before anyone enters the poultry house.
Farm staff observe parent birds every day for behavior, comfort, and health.
Balanced feeding helps parent birds produce strong hatching eggs.
Water lines must work properly because birds need constant clean water.
Ventilation removes excess heat and keeps air fresh inside the poultry house.
Clean nest boxes help produce cleaner hatching eggs. Parent flocks are managed so hens can produce fertilized eggs for hatcheries.
Fertilized eggs move gently from nest boxes onto collection belts. Eggs are collected carefully because cracks reduce hatchery success. Only clean, intact eggs continue toward incubation. Egg trays are organized so embryos are protected during transport. At the hatchery, eggs enter a more controlled incubation system.
Hatchery grading improves the chance of healthy chick production.
Sanitation reduces contamination before eggs enter the incubator.
Better incubators control temperature, humidity, and turning for developing embryos.
Turning and airflow help embryos develop evenly inside the shell.
Candling helps identify which eggs are developing properly. Near the end of incubation, eggs move from setters into hatcher baskets. The hatcher provides the final controlled environment before chicks emerge.
After hatching, chicks are moved carefully for sorting and health checks.
Chicks are separated from shells before health checking and transport.
Healthy chicks are selected before leaving the hatchery.
Vaccination helps protect chicks before they enter broiler houses.
Chicks are counted into ventilated boxes for transport to growing farms.
Young chicks need careful temperature control during transport. Before chicks arrive, the house is cleaned and prepared. Fresh bedding gives chicks a dry and comfortable surface.
Brooder heaters warm the house before day-old chicks arrive.
Feed and water systems must be ready before chicks enter the house. Day-old chicks arrive at the farm and enter the prepared broiler house. Chicks are placed close to feed, water, and warmth.
Early drinking helps chicks recover from transport and start growing.
Starter feed provides energy and nutrients for early growth. Chick spacing tells farmers whether the brooding temperature is comfortable. Farmers walk the house daily to check bird health and equipment. Ventilation helps control temperature, moisture, and air quality. Feed arrives in bulk and moves from silos into automated feeding lines.
Automated feed lines distribute feed evenly through the house.
Anchors are adjusted as the birds grow taller.
Litter condition affects bird comfort and house hygiene.
Health checks help farmers identify issues early. Sample weighing tells farmers whether the flock is growing on schedule. Veterinary oversight supports flock health and food safety.
Biosecurity continues every day, not only at the entrance.
When birds reach target size, the farm schedules transport to the processing plant.
Transport crates are inspected before birds are moved.
Handling must be calm and controlled to reduce stress during transport. Ventilated trucks move birds from farms to processing plants.
Supply chain now moves from animal farming to food manufacturing.
At the plant, receiving begins with shade, ventilation, and inspection. Receiving inspection confirms batch identity and transport condition.
The plant uses controlled food safety processing before the meat enters chilled preparation.
Early equipment prepares the product for chilling and further food processing.
Chilling lowers product temperature before cutting and deboning. Inspection continues before the meat moves into deboning.
Deboning separates usable meat for products like chicken nuggets.
Trimmed meat creates a cleaner base for nugget blending.
Different meat streams can be blended to control texture and flavor.
Weighing ensures each batch follows the correct formulation.
Grinding reduces trimmed meat into a consistent texture for mixing. The ground meat becomes the base for nugget blending. Nuggets use measured meat, seasoning, and binders for a consistent recipe. The mixer combines meat and ingredients into a uniform nugget base.
Mixing spreads seasoning and binders evenly through the meat.
Before forming, technicians check whether the blend has the right texture.
The forming machine shapes the meat blend into consistent nugget pieces.
The meat blend is pressed into familiar nugget shapes.
Misshapen pieces are removed before coating. A light pre-dust layer helps batter stick to the nugget surface. Batter thickness must be controlled so coating is even.
Batter covers the nugget and prepares it for breading. Breadcrumb texture helps create the final nugget crunch.
The breading machine coats each nugget from above and below. Loose crumbs are removed so the coating is even before frying.
Our frying sets the coating and begins developing the golden color.
Time, temperature, and oil flow control the color and texture.
Oil filtration removes crumbs and helps maintain consistent frying conditions.
After par frying, excess oil drains from the golden nugget coating. Cooling stabilizes the nuggets before they enter freezing. Workers inspect color, shape, and coating before freezing. Temperature checks confirm the line is operating within food safety controls.
Even spacing lets cold air reach each nugget. The spiral freezer rapidly lowers product temperature.
A spiral belt allows many nuggets to freeze in a compact space.
The freezer exit, the nuggets are stable frozen food products.
Frozen nuggets are inspected again before packaging.
Checkweighing verifies portion weight before packaging. Metal detection is one of the final safety checks on the line.
Packaging equipment is set up before nuggets are filled into bags.
Measured portions of frozen nuggets enter the bagging system. The bagger seals frozen nuggets into clean, portioned packages.
A strong seal protects nuggets during frozen storage and transport. Bags are packed into cartons so they can move through warehouses efficiently. Sealed cartons protect frozen nugget bags during storage and transport. Carton checkweighing verifies each shipping case before palletizing.
Palletizing turns many cartons into one movable warehouse load.
Stretch wrapping keeps cartons stable during freezer warehouse movement. After packaging, frozen nuggets move quickly into freezer storage.
Frozen warehouses organize pallets by product type, batch, and shipment plan. Scanning connects each pallet to its production batch and warehouse location.
Orders are picked and staged while staying inside the frozen zone. The trailer is pre-cooled before frozen cartons leave the warehouse.
Cold chain loading keeps frozen nuggets protected during transport. Once the doors close, the cold chain delivery begins. Frozen nuggets travel through refrigerated distribution networks. Some nuggets enter school food service freezer warehouses.
At school, nuggets remain frozen until cafeteria preparation. Cafeteria kitchens reheat frozen nuggets according to food service procedures.
Frozen nuggets are reheated before they reach the serving line.
Food service workers check temperature before nuggets are served.
Nuggets become part of a complete school lunch tray.
Other cartons move through grocery distribution centers. Retail packs reach grocery freezers for home cooking.
At home, the same frozen product becomes a quick family meal.
Consumers reheat frozen nuggets in ovens or air fryers at home. The long supply chain ends as a simple plate of food. Quality control does not happen once. It follows the product from farm to freezer.
Hatchery controls help start the flock with healthy chicks.
Farm management controls nutrition, comfort, and growth. Factory quality begins with chilled ingredients and controlled recipes. Shape, batter, and breading control the familiar nugget appearance. Heat and cold are controlled carefully before nuggets become frozen food. Final inspection protects product consistency before distribution. After a flock leaves, the house is cleaned before the next cycle begins. Hatchery trays are cleaned before entering another incubation cycle. Food contact equipment is cleaned after production runs. Fryer maintenance keeps color, texture, and line reliability consistent. Freezer maintenance helps keep frozen products consistent. Parent flock management affects the quality of the chicks that start the whole chain. The first days of care influence the entire growing period.
Ventilation controls heat, moisture, and air quality.
Consistent mixing helps every nugget cook and taste more predictably. Uniform shapes help nuggets fry, freeze, and package consistently.
Pre-dust, batter, and breading work together to create the coating.
Freezing allows nuggets to move safely through long distribution chains.
The cold chain keeps the product frozen after it leaves the factory. Stage 1 produces clean hatching eggs from managed parent flocks. Stage 2 turns fertilized eggs into healthy day-old chicks. Stage 3 raises chicks with controlled feed, water, temperature, air, and health monitoring. Stage 4 moves the flock from farm to processing plant. Stage 5 prepares chilled poultry for meat separation using controlled food safety systems. Stage 6 prepares chilled poultry meat for grinding and blending. Stage 7 creates the uniform meat blend used for nugget forming.
Stage 8 shapes the blend into consistent nugget pieces.
Stage 9 builds the coating with pre-dust, batter, and breading.
Stage 10 sets the coating and develops the golden surface.
Stage 11 freezes nuggets for storage and long-distance distribution.
Stage 12 verifies frozen nuggets before packaging.
Stage 13 turns frozen nuggets into shippable cartons and pallets. Stage 14 keeps the product frozen through warehouse and delivery.
Stage 15 delivers nuggets to schools, stores, and family kitchens.
A simple school nugget connects eggs, farms, factories, freezers, and cafeterias.
Each machine handles one specific step in the production chain.
Retail packs, food service cartons, and school trays serve different customers.
The nugget shape comes from the mold plate inside the former.
Breading equipment covers the bottom and top of each nugget. The moving belt controls how long each nugget stay in the fryer.
The spiral freezer moves product through cold air without needing a very long straight line. Multi-head weighers combine portions to reach the target bag weight.
Food factories verify inspection equipment during production.
School food service cartons are packed for cafeteria kitchens, not retail shelves. Retail packs are smaller and designed for home freezers. Warehouse teams sort frozen products by route and customer type. Factories control loose crumbs to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Sanitation uses controlled water flow and proper drainage.
Packaging materials must be staged before the line can run.
The journey begins with parent flocks and carefully collected hatching eggs. The hatchery turns eggs into the next generation of broiler chicks. Growing farms manage comfort, nutrition, and health before processing.
Careful transport connects the farm to the food processing plant.
Inside the chilled plant, poultry meat is prepared for further processing. Grinding creates a consistent base for nugget recipes. Mixing controls the texture and flavor of the nugget base. The forming machine creates the familiar nugget shape.
Coating gives nuggets their crisp outer layer.
Par frying sets the coating and develops the golden surface.
Rapid freezing stabilizes nuggets for long-distance distribution.
Final checks happen before packaging. Bagging turns loose frozen nuggets into consumer and food service packs.
Cartons make frozen products easier to ship and store.
Pallets prepare the product for frozen warehouse handling.
frozen warehouses keep cartons cold and traceable.
Refrigerated trucks carry nuggets toward schools, stores, and distributors. School kitchens store frozen nuggets before meal preparation. In cafeterias, nuggets become part of complete lunch trays.
Retail packs reach grocery freezers for families to buy.
From breeder farm to hatchery, broiler house, factory, freezer, school, and family table, this is the complete nugget process.
Thank you for watching Mega Processing Tech. Subscribe, like, share, and comment what full AZ process we should explore next.